Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play YesCoin. But before I show you how to do that, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So let's get on with the video. First, what you want to do is take your iOS or Android device and go to X application. Once you're here, tap on search on the bottom left and then on the top, and then just type in YesCoin and click on this first one. Once you are here, what you want to do is click on their link. So the t/me YesCoin bot. So what you want to do is click on that. If you don't have Telegram, you have to install Telegram before you open this bot, but then click on open. Once you have clicked on open, you're going to get this screen. And basically here, what you want to do is tap on start at the bottom, start. And now as you can see, it has started. And then you have YesCoin is the easiest way to access the Web3 world backed with on blockchain. And if you want to play, basically just need to click on start at the top and then it's going to start. Sorry, we need to click on play for airdrop and then click on launch. And now the application is launching. You need to wait for it to load up. Once you come to this screen, you want to click on next. You want to click on next again. Airdrop coming soon. Just click on yes, okay. And basically you just swipe your fingers to get the coins. And that's pretty much it. You can swipe the coins, then you can build stuff with the coins you have collected. You can earn more coins by doing some certain things or achievements or something under like explore. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.